Assalamu alaikum, welcome to Tech and Talk. This is your teacher Osman, and today we are going to start a brand new tutorial series on JavaScript. Before starting, you should have Visual Studio Code on your system, so you can just type Visual Studio Code in Google and you will have download link at the top in the search. Once you installed, you will need an extension. For that, you will go to extensions and will type live preview. You will have some of the results. You need to pick one which is from Microsoft. Just install it. It will take few seconds. When installed, you can close this preview and go back to your Explorer where you can add a new folder. And let me add a folder with name Introduction, and here I will add two files. First of all, index.html, and here I will add a body, and inside body I will have paragraph which will say hi, and here we should have that preview icon by now, and now we can see a hi is printed in the HTML page, and this is the extension which is giving us a live preview of that HTML page. As soon as you do any changes, you will have that change reflect on that HTML page. So that was regarding the setup. Next thing, why we should learn JavaScript. First of all, it's one of those languages which is mostly and widely used. First thing first, why should you learn JavaScript? Because it's one of the most popular languages. When you are learning JavaScript, you should know that when it was first introduced, so it was introduced back in 1995. And why JavaScript? What is the difference between JavaScript and Java? Both are different languages, and there is a reason behind using that JavaScript name, because at that time the Java applets were at their boom. So just to take advantage of its popularity, that scripting languages was named as JavaScript. Okay, so whenever we discuss JavaScript, we can categorize into two parts. First, the script we need to manipulate HTML elements or need to attach handlers to different events, so we can use JavaScript in that perspective. Other thing is, whenever we are building a logic like any JavaScript library, function or statement, we can write in JavaScript as well. So first we will start with manipulating DOM. And what is DOM? Document Object Model. So if I copy paste that URL and open that one into my browser, I can show you what is actually DOM. So let me paste and open that one from here. So this is the browser, and if you go to inspect and you click on elements, you will see those elements here in that view. So this is the DOM we can see in the form of HTML elements, and each element have some values and properties and attributes. So we can manipulate this DOM. We can change its property, visibility, or attach any handler to any of their events. So first of all, we will cover that aspect of JavaScript. So before going any further, first thing is, this is not a proper syntax of HTML page. It should always start with at the top HTML, and inside HTML there will be header, there will be head tag, and inside that head we will use title, and this title should say, let's say, introduction, and this is a title which appear in the tab when we open that page in our browser. And inside the HTML, after header, there must be a body tag, body element, and inside body element there could be multiple HTML specific elements. So currently we only have P, so we can see hi. I can change it. Its content is my name is Osman. Okay, that is something related to HTML, but we are focusing on JavaScript. So at the very bottom, before that body tag ends, we should have a tag like this, and here we can add our script. And let's say we write a script like So the best practice, before writing those scripts directly, why not just go to the HTML page inside your browser and go to the console, which you can probably see one of the option in the developer tools, and here you can write some JavaScript. You can start with document dot get element by tag name, and you can write the paragraph. So because this return us the array of elements, you can see by its name it's giving us multiple elements, so you can get the first element from that array. So we are getting that paragraph element from that DOM. So further, let's save this one to a variable. We can say it paragraph is equal to this, and we can further say paragraph dot inner text is equal to change paragraph, and as soon as we click enter, you can see that now the paragraph content has been changed, and this is how we can manipulate DOM from JavaScript. So that was all from this video, and because that was an introductory video, we need to set up Visual Studio Code extension. We need to write our first program inside our Visual Studio Code. So we will continue this series, and till the next video, take care and keep coding.